Hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite baby girl Zoya in the building. If today is your first time of tuning in on my channel, you are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, I am so glad you came back to watch. Thank you so much. Today we are making okra soup. It is a simple recipe. It's so simple and it is very delicious. I call this sapa okro because I literally used everything I have in my freezer for this soup. If you want to see how I made this, keep watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and also turn on your bell notification so as to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you. So to begin, I will start by introducing all the ingredients we have here. First, I have the okra. This okra has been finely grated, so I'm going to set that aside. I also have the chopped peppers. You can grind yours if you prefer, but I want to see specks of pepper in it, so I chopped the peppers. These are atarudu, also known as Scotch bonnet peppers. I have iru, also known as the locust beans. No matter how you want your okra to be, either rich or either sapacious like my own, you have to add iru to it. I also have some pound crayfish. I have some big prawns, dried prawns. I have palm oil. I have pomo. These ones have been cut into little pieces and they are very soft. I also have the ones in big chunks. I have panla fish. If you know me well, you know I love panla fish a lot. They are lifesavers, especially if you have them at home. Like I'm doing today, everything here are from my freezer. Every damn thing except the palm oil, which I brought out from the drawer. And I also have the roasted herrings fish. I like to mix both together. It gave me this satisfying flavor and I'm so content with it. So I like to mix the both roasted fish together. And of course, I have some vegetable. I'll be adding a little bit of vegetable to this okra today. This is ugu vegetable. You can add any vegetable of your choice. You can add uziza vegetable if that's what you have, but I have ugu and that is what I will be adding. So to begin, I'll just add the pomo inside the pot. I'll also add the panla fish. Then I'm going to add the pepper, and I added half teaspoon of salt, and I'll also be adding 1 seasoning cube. I also added about 3 cups of water. I'm going to cover this and put it on the stove just to boil everything together. We have to boil this for at least the very first 10 minutes on the fire before I'll add any other thing. So 10 minutes later, I came back to the pot, and as you can see, it has started to boil and it's looking very good. So I'm going to stir everything together. I stir that in, and I'm now going to add the dry prawns. I added the locust beans. I turned everything together and I tasted. I felt that it needs 1 more seasoning cube, so I added 1 more seasoning cube. And I'm also going to add the palm oil at this time. Cover it and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. I came back to the pot, and as you can see, it is looking very good. So I'm just going to give that a quick mix, and I'm going to add in the roasted herrings fish. I also added in the pounded crayfish. Now I'm going to add the chopped okra. Mix everything together thoroughly. Combine. I combine everything well, and I'm also going to add the vegetable. Cover it and allow it to simmer for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I came back to the pot and I opened it. Oh, the aroma. The aroma in this kitchen right now was so pleasant. It was so inviting, guys. I never knew this okra is going to turn out like this because I only use all what I have at home, and I was not able to add so many things I wish I could add to it. So this was so good. When I turned everything together, the soup was done and I take it off the heat. Guys, you can serve this with any swallow of your choice. It was so good. It was so delicious. But today, I am going to be enjoying this with eba, and it was so good, guys. When I served this, the prawns were so juicy. It was so delicious. I bet you try this out, guys, and let me know what you think. If you have watched this video up to this time, please give me a thumbs up. That is how I know you love what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next one. Bye.